Hi everybody, welcome to my tutorial on materials in Highrise Studio. To begin, I'm going to go to the game object and import a cube from the 3D objects, and I'll place that right there. Secondly, I'm going to right click on my mouse, go to create, and create a folder for our material. And I'm going to call this materials, and this will help keep everything tidy for us. I'm then going to take the same process and right click. I'm also going to go to create again, and I'm going to select the material this time, and I'm going to name this cube material, and then we've got our cube material there. And right now there's nothing much to it, it's a very basic color. In our inspector view, we've got our surface options and our surface inputs. They're the most important parts in creating a basic texture. We've got different things here. We've got metallic and specular. We've also got opaque and transparent. So to begin with, I'm going to choose a color for our cube. I am going to make the cube purple since it's my favorite color. And I'm just going to drag and drop that onto the cube. Now, with the metallic map, this determines the level of metallics on our cube. So you can see that is changing a little bit there. And then we've also got our smoothness that determines the roughness of the color. So the further down we go, it becomes a lot more matte. And as we go up, it becomes a lot more shiny. And you can really see that on that little orb in the cube material down the bottom of the inspector view. We've also got an emission. So we tick that. We can select a color for our cube. And I'm going to choose a hot pink just so that we can see the difference. There we go. Oops. And then I can determine its intensity as well. So I may want it just to be a little bit intense. There we go. Now if I wanted this metallic color to be transparent, I would click the transparency here in the surface type. And then I'd go back to our base map and I would bring that down, and that would make our cube transparent. Bring that up and it'll make it a solid texture again. So with that, that's everything you need to know for the basics of materials. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.